Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Lydia Febrianti from English Class B at Study Ahmad Dahlan University. Okay, I want to tell you present about major principles of Islamic banking and finance. 7 major principles of Islamic banking and finance. In the main, 7 major principles of Islamic banking and finance consisting of the first, profit and loss sharing. What is profit and loss sharing? Profit and loss sharing. It is one of the best principles of Islamic finance where the partners will share their profit and loss according to the part they played in the business. There will be no guarantee on the rate of the return so that the Muslim will play the part of a partner and not a creditor. Share risks. What is share risks? In the economic transaction, the risk sharing is promoted by the Islamic banking. When two or more parties will share the risk following the principles of Islamic banking, the burden of the risk will be divided and reduced in the parties. So it will improve the economic activities of the state. 3. Riba. What is riba? It can be regarded as the prohibition of interest. The well will get the return without any risk of efforts. Regardless of the outcome of economic activities, the person who gets the loan has to return the money and riba to the lenders. In principles of Islamic banking, taking advantage of the issue the order are facing is unjust. 4. Gharar. What is gharar? Gharar is according to the Islamic finance principles. Muslims are not allowed to participate in the ambiguous and uncertain transaction. According to Islamic rules, both parties should have a proper control of the business, as well as the conflict information should be shared with both parties so that the profit and loss will be equally shared. 5. Gambling. What is gambling? Gambling is, in Islam, the acquisition of wealth through affiliations or participation in gambling is prohibited. It will protect the Muslim from the conventional insurance product because that is a type of gambling. On the other hand, Islamic banking works in takaful that involves a mutual responsibility and shared risks. 6. No investment in prohibited industry. The industry that are harmful to society or have a threat to the social responsibilities are the prohibited in Islam. They include the first, pornography, 2. Prostitution, 3. Alcohol, 4. Pork, 5. Drug. According to the Islamic finance principles, you are not allowed to invest in such industry. You cannot even participate in the mutual funds that will help the industry to flourish. 7. Zakat. What is zakat? Zakat is there is a property tax included in the rules of Islam that is known as zakat, which allows the balanced distribution of wealth. According to the Islamic banking principles, the fair amount of zakat is deducted from the account of Muslim in the whole month of Ramadan. Islam banks promote this social responsibility and distribute the amount among the needy. Conclusion. So we can say that the principles of Islamic finance guide us to invest in an industry that will help us to achieve the financial and social objectives that will be determined by Islam. The Islamic finance principles have been designed to make an economy successful. So it is a way of saving our money from being invested in a wrong path. Principles of Islamic finance are discussed in more details during certified Islamic finance excerpt. A well-known Islamic finance theory and Islamic banking courses. These programs are offered by Institute of Islamic Banking and Finance at IMS.